Today we will learn about propensity to consume and Keynesian psychological law of consumption. Keynesian psychological law of consumption says that consumption is never zero. Some amount of consumption is required for survival. So consumption cannot be zero. Income can be zero, but not consumption. Secondly, as income increases, consumption also increases. When income is increasing, consumption will increase, but increase in consumption will be less than increase in income. I'm repeating, when income increases, consumption will also increase, but increase in consumption will be less than increase in income. And propensity to consume means tendency of the people to consume. What is their tendency? That shows the functional relationship between income and consumption. Consumption is a function of income. Consumption depends. Function means depends. Consumption depends on income. C is equals to C denotes consumption, F is function, Y is income. Consumption depends on income. When income increases, consumption will increase, but increase in consumption will be less than increase in income. And the Keynesian psychological law of consumption says that consumption is never zero. First, Keynesian psychological law of consumption, first one says that consumption is never zero, is never zero. Some amount of consumption is needed for survival, which is known as autonomous consumption. And second is, as income increases, consumption also increases. Increases, but increase in consumption is less than increase in income. Which means that, for example, a person is earning 5,000 and his income is 5,000 and he's consuming 4,000. How much he is saving? He's saving 1,000. Now, his income has increased from, the new income is from 5,000 to 10,000. So he'll not double his consumption. He was able to survive with 4,000. So now from 5,000, it has become 10,000. What he will do? He will increase his consumption. From 4,000, maybe now he will consume 6,000. So his saving now will be how much? 4,000. So when income has doubled, consumption has not doubled. Consumption, of course, has increased, but not at the same rate as that of increase in income. When income increases, consumption will increase, but less than increase in income. That is what it says. Now we will study about propensity to consume. Propensity to consume is the tendency of the people to consume. What proportion of their income they are consuming. There are two types of propensity to consume. One is called average propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume, that is APC, which is total consumption by total income. And another is marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume, which is MPC is equals to delta C by delta Y. Change in consumption due to change in income. Delta denotes change. Change in consumption due to change in income. Marginal means additional or incremental. So marginal propensity to consume. Now keep it in your mind that average propensity to consume can be more than one. It can be more than one. It can be less than one. It can be one, but not zero. But marginal propensity to consume lies between 0 to 1. But it can be more than one, less than 1, it can be equal to 1, but not 0, never 0. So today we will study about the properties of average propensity to consume, or features or characteristics of average propensity to consume. What are the features or properties or characteristic of average propensity to consume? The first feature is the value of APC can be more than 1. When consumption is more than income. Is more than income. Consumption is more than income, then the value of APC will be more than 1. Example, if consumption C is 2000 and income Y is 1000, APC will be C by Y, which is 2000 divided by 1000, which will be APC will be equal to 2, which is more than 1. So whenever consumption expenditure is more than income, APC will be more than 1. Second is APC can be less than 1. APC can be less than 1 when consumption is less than income. That is, if consumption is 2000 and income is 4000. So what will be the value of APC? APC will be equal to C by Y is equals to 2000 divided by 4000 will be equal to 1 by 2 is equals to 0.5. So APC can be less than 1 when consumption expenditure is less than income. And APC is total consumption divided by total income. Next one is the third point is APC can be equal to 1. APC can be 1 when consumption is equal to income. Which means C is equals to Y. So consumption, if consumption is 2000 and income is also 2000. So what will be the value of APC? APC will be C by Y is equals to 2000 divided by 2000. That will be equal to 1. APC will be 1. And this point, when APC is 1 or whenever income and consumption both are equal, that is known as break-even point. Break-even point is a point when income is equal to consumption. Income and consumption both are equal. That is called break-even point. At break-even point, C is equals to Y and saving is 0. At break-even point, the value of APC will be 1 because income and consumption both are equal. and saving is 0 at break-even point. You should remember these points. So till now, what we have learned that the value of APC can be more than 1 when consumption is more than income. APC can be less than 1 when consumption is less than income. APC can be equal to 1 when consumption is equal to income. That is break-even point. APC will be 1. The fourth feature is APC, average propensity to consume, is never 0. Never 0. Because consumption is never 0. The reason for it is because consumption is never 0. APC is actually consumption divided by income. And because consumption is never 0, APC cannot be 0. And because consumption is never 0, APC cannot be 0. Fifth feature of APC is that the value of APC, the value of APC falls with the increase in income. In income. When income increases, the value of APC falls. This is fifth feature. Higher the income, the value of APC will fall. This feature we can learn with one example also. Then you will understand why this statement, why it is said like this. I'll explain you this feature now. Let us take one example that in an economy, consumption function C is equal to 100 plus 0.5y. This is equation for consumption. This 100 is autonomous consumption, which is called C bar. C is equals to C bar plus by. So 0. C bar is 100 here. B, which is MPC, is 0.5, and Y, which is income, is not given, which we will take. Now we will see how when income increases, the value of APC falls. With this example, let us take Y, that is income, in one column, and another column we will take C, that is consumption, and third column we will take APC. APC, which is C by Y. Okay. Using this equation, let us assume first income is 300. When income is 300, we'll substitute the value. C is equals to 100 plus 0.5 multiplied by 300. So how much it will become? It will become 0.5 multiplied by 300 will be how much? 3 5s are 15. So 150, 100 plus 150. So it will be equal to 250. Here the value of APC will be C by Y, that is 250 divided by 300, which is equal to 5 by 6, is equals to 0.83. Now, second value which we will take here is 500. If the income is 500, what will be the value of APC? C is equals to 100 plus 0.5 into 500. So it will become equal to 100 plus 5 5s are 25. So it will become 250. So total consumption will be 350. Value of APC will be equal to 350 divided by 500, C by Y. So what will happen? This 0 will get cancelled. 7 by 10 it will become, and it will become 0.7. 0.7. That is, when income has increased, the value of APC is falling. Now, third value, let us take as 600. If we take, or we can take even 700, C will be equal to 100 plus 0.5 into 600. 6 fives are 30. So that will be 100 plus 300 is equals to 400. The value of C is 400. And the value of APC will be equal to C by Y, which is 400 divided by 600. Then it will become 2 by 3, which will be equal to 0.66. So what we have noted from this example, that when income was 300, the value of APC was 0.8. When income has increased to 500, the value of APC has decreased and it has become 0.7. And when income has increased to 600, the value of APC has become 0.66. So it proves that as income increases, the value of APC falls. So these are the 5 features of APC. APC is total consumption divided by total income. APC is what? It is total consumption divided by total income, and it has 5 features. First one, it can be more than 1 when consumption is more than income. It can be less than 1 when consumption expenditure is less than income. It can be equal to 1 when income and consumption both are equal. It is never 0 because consumption is never 0. And the value of APC falls with the increase in income. These are the features. Hope you understood. Thank you very much. We will learn the properties of or the features or the characteristic of MPC, marginal propensity to consume, in the next episode, in the next class. Thank you.